Hey there, it is another soap making day here at Stone Lake Bloom Bliss, and today is a very special soap making day. There is a friend of mine who's a follower, who is now a customer, wanted some soap to give away to her clients. She's a fellow realtor and she also has a design business. And I said, let's take it a step farther. Send me your logo and I will have a soap stamp made. And let's make a whole loaf and get you some individual bars with your own soap design on. So let's take a look. So I got the soap stamp in FedEx. I've been waiting for it for quite a while. It was stuck in Tennessee during the snowstorm for over a week at the FedEx facility there. So I was very excited when it got here. Now I have my soap stamp. I ordered it on Etsy and the maker is, I believe he's in Hungary. So it does take a little bit to get here. Here we go. It's ring and bird design. Isn't that adorable? So I asked my friend to design her soap and she has chosen fresh mint and eucalyptus. She wanted kind of a spa vibe. So we're going with this fragrance oil, which I've used in the past. And she wanted a green kind of swirl. So I have some options here. I have green clay and I have lounge lizard green from Mad Micas. And I also have some spirulina, which I think might be a little bit too dark, but I'm gonna kind of experiment. I'm just going for a 2-color swirl. So I'll use just my regular, it'll be kind of a light tan batter, and then I'll go with 2 accent colors. Not quite sure which one we're gonna use yet. We'll work on that. So let me flip the camera around and I'll show you all our ingredients today. So here's what we got going on in the soap today. These are our oils. I'm using coconut oil, palm oil, olive oil, canola oil, and castor oil. And you can see I just get some of my oils at Walmart, which I got the canola oil and the olive oil. Now for my lye solution, I'm doing a mix, half water and half aloe vera juice or aloe vera drink. And because, you know, there's sugar content in aloe vera, I'm going with the ice cubes. So I'll I'll weigh out my ice cubes. And that will prevent the lye from scorching the aloe and turning it too much of an orange color. Now, why am I using aloe vera drink? Well, I brought it up here on Google, and the benefits in aloe vera are it contains polysaccharides, amino acids, vitamins A, C, E, B12, minerals, and natural humectants. And what it does in the finished bar of soap, a noticeably silkier, lotion-like lather, which who doesn't want that? It's a less dripping feel after rinsing, which I use a 5% superfat in my soap, so I don't notice that stripping feeling, but if it helps, all the better. And it makes for a harder, longer lasting bar. So all great benefits for just a little tweaking and not much extra of a price in the product. And I also use sodium lactate in my lye solution. I always use kale and clay in my oils. That just helps with scent retention. So I have my batter bowls here. There again, I have my colors, I have my recipe, which I always run through soap calc. I have my shield, my heat gun, my gloves, my batter bowl, some miscellaneous utensils. There again is my fragrance oil, fresh mint and eucalyptus, my cordless immersion blender. Of course, one of the stars of the show is my new soap stamp. I'm just going to be using a single mold here. I'm going to do the hanger swirl technique. And when I'm finished, I always cover my soap with a box and let it sit overnight for 24 hours. So let me get things cleaned up here and we will come back and make some soap. We are back. I have my shield on, my gloves, my oils here. Remember, in my oils I have coconut oil, palm oil, castor oil, canola oil, and olive oil. And my lye solution is 50% water, 50% aloe vera juice, which I use in ice cube form. I have my sodium hydroxide in here and sodium lactite, and I also have a little bit of kale and clay in my oils. So let's check temperature. 103 on the oils and 108 on the lye solution. They're both under 110 degrees and within 10 degrees of each other. So we are ready to make some soap. We'll give it a quick spritz of alcohol. And we will put the cover on it. And we will come back in about 24 hours and cut and use our new stamp. We are back. It's the next day. Here's our loaf of soap that we made yesterday. I'm going to cut into it and we'll get out our new stamp. I think I'll do a little beveling on the edges for that nice completed look. That was a very fun project, making this special loaf of soap turned into 10 bars of soap. I hope I get to do the opportunity again. See you next time.